Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look using the Morphe 35M palette that I just got. It was the first time I used this palette. I just got it. So if you want to see how I got this makeup, just keep on watching and let's get into the video. So I've already done my brows and put on some lip balm in my skincare routine. So what I used on my eyebrows is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in medium brown. Then I used the Essence Make Me Brow Tinted Brow Gel in soft brown. And then for lips, I used the SkinFix Natural Coconut Mint Lip Repair Balm. And it has coconut oil in it, so it's really moisturizing my lips. To start off my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. My favorite concealer that's full coverage in light medium. I also have the Too Faced one, but I don't use it as much as this one. And this one I'm almost out of. And I have a backup one, but I'm going to be using the Too Faced one before I use my backup, because the Too Faced one is more hydrating. I just wanted to finish using this. And then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. If you want to see an updated cruelty-free skincare routine, let me know in the comments. It's been a long time since I've done a video, like filmed a video, and I haven't uploaded in a while. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 35M palette. This is gonna be the first time I'm trying this, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, and I don't know what type of look I'm going to be doing. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using a lot of the reds and the purples. I'm going to take the Morphe M441 eyeshadow brush, and I have the names of the eyeshadow palette here. So I'm going to be taking a nice transition color in the shade Play It Cool. This color right here. I'm going to just dust it into my crease. I'm just gonna do one eye at a time. I'm gonna put a little more because I really want it to show up. And then after that, I'm going to blend with my Morphe 518 M518 and blend the harsh edges. I'm going to take the orange color in the palette right here and put it also into my crease, but not above my crease. So the orange is in my crease. Then I'm going to blend it again with that same 518 brush from Morphe. And I'm I'm going to do the outer corners now. And I'm going to take this color in the palette. It's a nice cranberry color. Now I'm going to blend using the same brush that I've been using to blend. Probably going to have to use the transition shade to blend the crease. Deepen it up even more on the outer part using dark purple right here. And then do it on the outer corners and building it up slowly. I'm going to finish this up off camera, and then I'll come back when I get to my eyelids. So I've already cut my crease, and with the same concealer, I'm gonna put the Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Carefree. It's a very fall color. So I'm going to dab with my finger. Then I'm going to set them with the shimmy shade right here. And I'm going to take my Morphe M124 brush. And then I'm going to blend the harshness of this part with the purple shade. And bring it into my crease. I'm going to do the rest of my eyes off camera since I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll come back. So I did my other eye, and right now I'm not really liking how it looks, but in the camera it looks good. So I'm going to highlight my brow bone using this color and put it on my brow bone. It also helps to clean up. The eyeshadow. And then I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm going to take the same colors that I used in my crease. So now I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna prime my face using the Wet n Wild Dewy primer just like the Becca backlight priming filter. It's very glowy and dewy. So for foundation, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in DC1. And then I'm going to blend using my beauty blender. I'm going to cream contour first. I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way full coverage concealer in vanilla. So I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I just finished baking and now I'm going to use my bronzer to set the contour. And I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep. And I'm going to take just a fluffy brush. And then for blush, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush with my Bare Minerals brush. Tap on my forehead since the powder I wiped away. So it's just a light layer of powder. There's not even a lot of powder on. Before I do my highlighter, I'm going to take the Milani Make It Last spray. So now that my face is dry, I can take my highlighter. So for a highlighter, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution SophX highlighter. I've been wanting to try this out. I'm going to take the last two shades on the top and mix it. And I'm going to take my Anastasia A23 brush and see how I like it. And then I'm going to pat the highlighter with my fluffy brush that I use to wipe off my bake. I almost forgot I need to do my inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna do that with the highlighters I use on my face. And I also did the lower lash mascara, and I forgot to mention the eyeliner and mascara that I used. So for eyeliners, I use the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner for my wing, and then to tightline I use the Tarte Maneater eyeliner. And then for mascara, I use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I'm going to take All Natural Nude from Physicians Formula. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a comment what you would like to see next. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!